Welcome to the channel. So I have a quick question. Have you ever been in a covered call options trade and the trade's going against you because your shares of stock are depreciating in value? If so, watch this video to the end and you see how I navigate my way through it. So this particular stock that I'm referring to is Rocket Lab, and the ticker is RKLB. I'm going to log on to Thinkorswim, and we're going to get to the bottom of this. Let's go. So now I'm all logged into the mobile Thinkorswim app, and as you see, I got the ticker pulled up, RKLB. I bought 200 shares of it, and my trade price was $27.90. At the close of the day, the bid price was $25.48 and the ask price was $25.55. So as you see to my right where it says PO open, I'm down $4.84. Now, even though the covered call contracts are working, as you see, I got 2 contracts and my trade price was 33 cents, but that's times 100. So for the 2 of them, I got $66 in premium. And currently at the close of today, the bid price was 9 cents and the ask was 12 cents. This portion of the trade is working. However, my stock shares are depreciating in value. So instead of sitting around watching my shares depreciate in value, I turned around, and this is how I combat the depreciation. I bought 2 puts. Now the 2 puts that I bought were $26.50. As you see right there, 26.5, and these 2 contracts expire the 20th of June. So now you know with options, all contracts are multiplied by 100. So here I paid $1.35 per contract, and at the close of the day, the bid price was $1.40 and the ask was $1.99. So now I'm gonna pull up the option chain and check the delta and see what's my probable chance of profit. So we have the option chain, and I'm gonna pull up the 20th of June 2025. That flag, the red and green flag next to it, the red portion represents the strike price that I sold, and the green represents the strike price that I bought. Let's get this pulled up. Calls on left, puts on the right. Now the green flag, where the strike price is 26.5, those are the 2 that I bought. Now if you look to the extreme right, those numbers in red, those are the deltas. Now my delta is 0.6038. Now I'll take the first 2 numbers after the 0, subtract that from 100, which gives me a 40% chance that this trade will be successful. Or rather, I should say, it's a high probability. But you'll never know with the stock market. But currently, right now, this contract is in the money. Now, the shaded area, all of that represents in the money contracts. And the areas where it's dark, those are pretty much out of the money contracts. Now, on the call side, we'll take a brief look at the contracts that I sold. As you see, the red flag at the $30 strike price. And as I previously explained, where the bid and ask prices were. Now, the delta is 0.08. Subtract that 0.8 from 100. That gives me a 92% chance of probability that Rocket Lab will not go to $30. By the way, if you found value in the content, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you're ready to start your investing journey, I have 3 links in the description. One for Webull, one for Robinhood, and one for Moomoo. Any one of those 3, you'll get free stocks from. And free stocks is free money. Now let's return back to the video. Well, in any event, I probably won't hold Rocket Lab for an extended period of time. Now, just a little something about this company. This is a competitor of SpaceX, but they're not as big though. However, they have had a few successful launches, but they're not yet profitable. See, so as you see here, it's not profitable yet, but it's making progress towards profitability. Now, one good thing about them is that they have strong revenue growth. They have significant revenue growth with a 78% year-over-year increase in 2024. Now, some analysts predict Rocket Lab will become profitable as early as 2027. Now, my take on Rocket Lab is this. If you're young, like say under 40, maybe when Rocket Lab eventually becomes profitable, maybe that might be something to invest in, or at least put on your watch list. Now, if you are someone that's retired or semi-retired, this is a speculative stock to me anyway. That's my opinion. Now, I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. For me, I'm just using this as a trade for the time being. I previously sold some covered calls against my shares, and so far it's been successful, and now it's pulling back, so hence I bought those put contracts as insurance against my depreciation. All right, just to reiterate something, this is not financial advice. This is my trading journey. I'm just merely sharing with you my experiences in the stock market. So what did you think? Was the info helpful? If you found value in the content, please like, share, subscribe. Feel free to let me know what you thought in the comment section. Lastly, I'd like to take a second to thank all of you who watched the video. Thank you for sharing your time with me. And if you want to see more content, click up there. Till next video, love you all. Happy trading, be well, and peace.